Okay, Lawrence, so your marks so far 17, 47, 38. Bit of a yo-yo. Nowhere near as good as they need to be. Let's see if you've improved this week. Right, all the factors of 15 are all the numbers that divide into 15 exactly. So 1 and 15 are the first pair, because 1 times 15 is 15, and 3 and 5 are the other pair. So you got nothing there. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 32 and 66. Good. Excellent. 5, 12 there. Hold on, not 12 there. Sorry. 2, 3, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 marks on that page. So that's very encouraging. Use a pencil. That's the first mark you've lost. You need to fill your page, okay? By putting that in, you've shrunk it, but it's not bad. I'm not going to penalise you for that. You've labelled your graph nicely, and you've put the numbers in the columns, so that's all nice and correct. The only thing you needed to do was leave a gap between the bars. So you're going to get 2 out of 4. I'm taking a mark off you for using a pen, and a mark off you because there's no gaps. 5 centimeters is not accurate enough. Okay, if you measure EB or BE, you can see there is 5, you're way off. There is 6, it's 5.5 or 5.6. You have to be more accurate. It's not AB. Perpendicular means at right angles to. If that's DC, the line that's at right angles to it is AE. It's not parallel to AD. Here's AD. Line up your ruler with that side, slide it across until you come across the side that's the same as it, BC. They're not 180. ADE is that angle. Okay, it's somewhere between 0 and 90. Similarly, BCE is that angle. That's not 180, it's somewhere between 90 and 180. You need to know how to measure those. Watch the video clip and practice it. It's important that you can get those right. No marks for that. 2 for the page. That's not a good page. This is not a reflex angle. A reflex angle is bigger than 180. The outside there would be reflex. This is between 90 and 180, which is obtuse. That one's correct, that one's correct, good. And that's correct, good. 7 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's correct, that's correct, that's correct, good. 6, 8, wrong. It's only cubing if you're multiplying them. You're not, you're just adding them. We've done lots of practice on this now. 5a and 1a is 6a, add 3a, 9a. Good. 9 for the page. This isn't an estimate question. You actually got to do the sum 76 times 54. Find out what 1/8 is, which is 48 divided by 8, which is 6. If 1/8 is 6, 3/8 will be 6 times 3 is 18. That's not right. What you do here is take the 2 unit digits, 7/8, multiply them together. 7/8 are 56, ends in a 6, so the whole number, the whole sum is going to end in a 6. So we're looking for that. 63 is wrong because 7 goes into it, 9 goes into it. The other 2 are right, so you'll get 1 mark there out of the 2. It is 8 times 25, but then you've got to work it out. 200. And 2.77 is wrong. You can't take 6 from 7 from 10, so you have to borrow from there to start with. So that would be 3. Then you'd have to borrow from there. So you get 6 from 12 is 6. And 2.63 is what we're looking for. Only 2 marks on that page. Again, everything on there you should be able to do. That's correct, that's correct, that's the wrong way around. It's B take away 2. If the car was 10 meters long, the second car would be 2 meters shorter than it. It would be 10 take 2, not 2 take 10. That's good, that's good, that's good. Wrong, wrong, wrong. The total number of outcomes for playing the game is out of 16. Right? There are 16 different outcomes. The number of those outcomes that are a 0 are 4. So you're looking for 4 out of 16. This is also out of 16. And the number of outcomes that aren't a 0 are 12. So you're looking for 12 out of 16. Scoring 8 or less, it's still out of 16. But the number of scores that are 8 or less, that means including 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you should have got all of that right. You didn't get any of it right. 6 for the page. That's not 43. Don't know why you think it is. You've got a triangle. You know the angles in a triangle add up to 180. These little lines, you know, tell you it's a special type of triangle. There's only 2 special types of triangle you need to worry about. One is an equilateral, and then we'll have another little line there, or it's isosceles with 2 little lines, which means those 2 angles are the same. So you do 180, take away 56, and you get 124. So these 2 angles together must add up to 124. Divided by 2, and you get 62. So that's 62 and that's 62. Then you take, so on a straight line, so those 3 angles must add up to 180. So you do 180, take away 43, take away 62. No marks there. That's good. This is positive correlation. Okay. The other type of correlation you need to know about is where the crosses tend to go downwards. That's known as negative correlation. Your line best fit is good, but your use of it is bad. 165 centimeters is here. Using a ruler, go across to your graph, and then again using a ruler, read down your graph, and it should be 61. So again, there's marks there that you're just leaving on the page that you should be earning. 3 for that page, bad page. Watch my explanation for that on the video clip. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's wrong. 16 ounces, 4 ounces is 115, so you need 4 lots of that to get 16 ounces. So you can do 4 lots of 115, which is 460. That's not right. 5.5 litres is 5,500 millilitres. So only 3 on that page. That's correct, but those are also correct. That needs to be a property there, and that's a property there. Can't give you any marks for that. You get 3 marks for that. This, watch the video clip, it should make sense to you. That's correct. Your signs are wrong here. You've got 8D and you're taking off 21D, so you end up negative 13. And going the other way, you've got negative 12 and you're adding 15, gives you plus there. So you got your 1 mark for correctly clearing out the brackets, but then you lose it from there. This is correct. That's not correct, and you've lost the equal sign. The 4E bit is right. Oh, but that's 12. 7E plus 12 equals 3E plus 18. So, in fact, for what you did, it is 4E, and that should be equals 16, and then you're almost there. So total for that page, 6. Right then, Lauren, so as I said, 17, 47 and 38. You've probably done better than that, but there's a lot of marks you've just carelessly thrown away. Let's have a look. 16, 18, 25, 34, 36, 42, 45, 48, 54. So 54 is your best mark, but it's not good enough. It's an E. You're 1 mark off a D, quite a way off a C, but goodness me, you have thrown away marks there that you should be getting right. And hopefully when you watch that video clip, you'll be feeling quite frustrated with yourself. I'm feeling frustrated with you. You've wasted a lot of marks there that you should be getting right now.